it. We did everything you could possibly do in Sturgis our second year here. I don't know what we would do next year. All right, first day in Sturgis, and this lady right here did an awesome job. She just took us on. We went to Firehouse for lunch. Yes, and then we went into Nemo.
Yes.
But then Van Knocker Canyon. Yes.
So glad.
So it was on her list to do. We checked that box and it was an awesome ride. So thank you, girl.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
Today we meet everybody to take a ride, but we meet at the Crazy Horse. I'm gonna walk over here. There it is. I'll zoom in. We're about 3 miles, no, not even 3 miles down the road, staying with Wind Road Therapy.
I don't want to use my hands. Do I scratch myself? Grab whatever you gotta grab. Because that's put on the picture. Or put your hand in the pocket. Oh, kids at campground picnics.
Right? That's what I have to deal with. Radine loves her dragonflies. Brady.
Oh, it's a dragonfly. Look at that. Perfect.
Made it this cute little cafe. Got to meet the owner. She was freaking awesome. Got us in and got us out. Parked on the street here in little downtown Custer.
We rode Needles Highway, we rode the Wildlife Loop, and we rode Iron Mountain Road.
Harvest, throw your hands up to the sky and surrender to me. And it's time to
Out of the north.
There you go. Big rock. Do a little video. So Sonny found his twin.
I did. Another silver.
What's your name?
Jake,
Jake. Where you at?
Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
Oh, you're from South Dakota. So
Yeah.
awesome. And you just got it 3 months ago?
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
So we saw, when we did the wildlife loop, the first thing that we saw were prairie dogs.
Look at these crazy ladies.
And what did we checked it off. And then the second thing that we saw was a huge bison. And he was right there on the side of the road. He had his back to us. He had an attitude. So, but we checked him. Check mark. He was a big boy. He's probably one of the biggest bison I've seen. Yeah. And then when we went further, we saw a whole herd of bison crossing the road. And there were mamas with their little babies, and like little babies, and then like yearlings. Don't agitate. Don't hug the fluffy cows.
Who says you can't pet a fluffy cow?
They're not huggable. Unless you're talking about El Buffalo. He's very huggable. He's huggable. Sorry, Mrs. El Buffalo. She's huggable too. Those are the only buffaloes you can hug. So then we saw a pronghorn. She was sitting in the field. Then we saw 2 more. And then we saw a beautiful, beautiful buck pronghorn. His antlers were black. He was beautiful.
So I've been trying to decide what to do with my empty saddlebags. So Mama puts all the motovlogger stickers on hers and where she's been. So I've decided that I'll start putting on stickers of rides I've taken or places I've been. So my very first one is Iron Mountain Road here in Sturgis. There's the first one.
Oh, and we went to Mount Rushmore. So, yep, it was a great day.